Next, numerical is a stone is dropped. A stone is dropped from the top of a tower. From the top of a tower. When the splash heard at the top. At the top. Given G is equal to 10 meter and speed of sound is equal to 340 meters per second. 340 meters per second. Please write down because the answer is a little bit lengthy, so I will have to do it as quickly as possible. Write down the question quickly. I hope you have written the question. I am going to answer. Height of tau is equal to 500 meter. 500 meter. Second point is speed of sound is equal to 340 meters per second. Initial velocity u is equal to 0. Here you will write time after which splash is heard is equal to time taken by the stone by the stone to reach home plus time taken time taken by splash to reach top of tub. First, for the time taken by the stone to reach the pole. Here u is equal to 0 because stone is dropped from rest. equation of motion. From equation of motion. H is equal to U T plus half G T square. In the question, it is given 500 0 into T plus half 10 into T square. $500 is equal to 5T square. T square is equal to 500 upon 5 is equal to 100. T square is equal to 100. T is equal to 100 is equal to 10 seconds. Dear students, this numerical is little bit tricky as well as lengthy. So please pay attention how to solve it. In the question, it is given height of the tower is 500 meters. Speed of sound is equal to 340 meters per second. Initial velocity u is equal to 0. These are the three things which are given in the numerical itself. Now we will have to write time after which splash is heard. स्प्लैश हमें कितने टाइम बाद सुनाई पड़ेगा, वो किसके बराबर है? टाइम टेकन बाय द स्टोन टू रीच द पॉन्ड. टाइम टेकन बाय द स्टोन टू रीच पॉन्ड. By the stone to reach pond plus time taken by the splash to reach top of the pond. अब हमें कितने टाइम बाद स्प्लैश हट करेगा? ये 2 बार. टाइम टेकन बाय द स्टोन टू रीच द पॉन्ड प्लस टाइम टेकन बाय द स्प्लैश टू रीच द टॉप ऑफ द pond. For the time taken by the splash to reach pond, first we will calculate this point. Time taken by the stone to reach pond. Here u is equal to 0. Why it is 0? Because stone is dropped from rest. Because stone is dropped from the rest. So here we will apply equation of motion. What type of equation we are going to apply? Equation of motion. What is that equation? Height is equal to u into t plus half gt square. H is equal to height is equal to u t plus half g t square. In the question, h is equal to 500. U is equal to 0 into t. And half the value of t is here 10 into t square. And now you see, it will be cancelled. It will be 5. 500 is equal to 5 t square. Then t square is equal to 500 upon 5. T is equal to 100. T square is equal to 100. To find out the t, under root is equal to 10 cent. What will be the answer? Time is 10 cent. This is the first part of the question. Please revise it and then we will continue. Be serious. This is the most lengthy numerical. And without understanding, it will not be possible for you to solve the numerical. Please read the numerical, and in the numerical it is given height of torque 500 meters. Underline it in the question. Speed of sound is equal to 340 meters per second. Also underline this. Initial velocity is equal to 0. So these are the three things which you have to underline from the numerical itself. Now, from here, time after which splash is heard. कितने वक्त बाद स्प्लैश हमको टावर के ऊपर सुनाई दी। अब ये दो बातों पर डिपेंड करता है। It depends on two factors. First, time taken by the student to reach the point. कितने वक्त में स्टोन टावर से पानी में पॉन्ड में पहुंचे, प्लस time taken by the splash to reach top of the tower. So first we will calculate time taken by the student by the stone to reach pond. This is the first thing which we are going to solve. Time taken by the stone to reach pond. Here U is equal to U because stone is dropped from rest. So we will apply here equation of motion. What type of equation we are going to apply to solve this equation of motion? Height is equal to U into T plus 1 by 2 G T square. 500 given U 0 given 1 by 2 G, the value is 10 into T square. This cancels and this becomes 5. 500 is equal to 5T square. T square becomes 500 upon 5. T square is equal to 100. T is equal to 100 under root. It becomes 10 seconds. The time taken by the student to reach the pond is 10 seconds. Please revise as possible. So we are going to rub it again. I am going to repeat it one more time. Time after which splash is heard is equal to time taken by stone to reach pond. Here U is equal to 0 because stone is dropped from rest. To find out this, we will use equation of motion. H is equal to U t plus half gt square. The value of h in the equation is 500 meter. The value of u is equal to 0. So 0 into t plus 1 by 2, the value of g in the question is 10 into t square. 0 into 2 cancels and 1 by 2 into 10 is equal to 5t square. 500 is equal to 5t square. T square becomes 500 upon 5. And t square is equal to 100. Then t is equal to 100 under root. It becomes 10. It becomes 10. 7. How much time it will take for the student, for the stone to reach the pond is equal to 10 seconds. Please, I am going to rub the first part of the question. Now we are going to solve second part of the question. Time taken by splash to reach the top of top. T1 is equal to distance upon speed is equal to